Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Genshin Impact on any laptop. Now to do that, just open Google Chrome. Now to visit Genshin Impact's official website, in the search bar just search genshin.hoyoverse.com. Now on this page, just click on download. Now as you can see, Genshin Impact is downloading. Now from here, you can click on the folders icon to go to downloads, or you can open the files app. Now just click on downloads, and from here you can find the Genshin Impact installing file. Now just right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now just select I have read and agreed to the terms of service and to the privacy policy. Now from here you can click on Quick Installation and it will start installing, or you can click on Custom Installation, and from here you can select to create a desktop shortcut, and you can also select Auto Launch at Start. And as you can see, this is the location where Genshin Impact will be downloaded. Now if you want to change the location, just click on change and change the location from here. Then click on select folder. Now after that, just click on continue and install. Now just click on finish and launch. Now as you can see, this window will open on your screen. From here, just click on get game, and from here you can select to create a desktop shortcut, and also from here you can select to create a start menu shortcut or not. And as you can see, this is the location where Genshin Impact will be downloaded on your laptop. Now to change the location, just click on change, and from here just select the location where you want to download Genshin Impact. For an example, I will select new volume H. Now just click on select folder. After that, just click on start installation. Now it will take some time to download Genshin Impact on your laptop. And once Genshin Impact is fully downloaded, just click on launch to launch Genshin Impact on your laptop. And this is how you can install Genshin Impact on any laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.